Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to continue with this series of the 63. So let's begin. So here we go guys, this is the left hand side of the car. I did strip it down like the other side. Now let me show you something that was done to this car that I don't think it's the correct way. Let me show it to you and how I'm gonna fix it. It's right here. As you can see, it has a bunch of holes with rust. So what they did, they just filled it up with body filler. That's not the correct way. The correct way is to cut this piece and weld yourself a brand new piece of metal. That's the best way. That's the correct way to doing something like this. If you don't have a welder, well, the other way you can do it is do it with fiberglass. Try to do it with fiberglass and fiberglass mesh. That'll work. Not perfect, but it'll work. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be cutting this area. I'm gonna be cutting this piece, welding another piece, eliminating the rust. All these pieces right there, as you can see, were removed from there. So let's just get to it. I'm gonna measure it, I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna weld it, and I'm gonna show you how it needs to be done. All right, here we go. I just placed some tape on the car, then I marked it straight underneath, and this is where I'm gonna cut. So let me just get the cutting wheel so I can cut it. Here we go. So I already treated the inside. I applied some epoxy primer. Everything's on the inside. It's been treated, so we're good. Now what we gotta do is cut this new piece and weld it on. And if you're thinking where I'm gonna get that new piece from, that this is a piece that I took that drip rail, so I'm gonna get this piece from there. Here it is. Here's the piece that's gonna go in there. Everything's aligned perfect. Let me just scrape everything off, sand it down so that the welds can actually hold, and bring you back once I start welding. There you go. I tack welded it just for me to start tack welding all the way around. And if you noticed, I'm skipping. I'm going in just skipping. I don't want to go all the way straight because it's gonna warp all this area. So I'm gonna continue and I'll bring you back once everything's been welded. Here it is. It's welded. Now I'm not a professional welder, guys, but for what we are doing, this is perfect. Perfect. So now let me just apply some body filler and smooth it out. Have it ready. It's a lot better than just plastering some body filler on those holes. If you guys are wondering what welder am I using, right there, it's a flux welder from Chicago Electric. There it is. That is what I'm using. Here it is, the first layer of body filler. This is not the ending. I still need to sand it down, smooth it down, block it. Then if we need to add some more, we'll add some more. And after everything is said and done, it's nice, smooth, perfect. And that is the way you need to fix rust holes or rust on your car. Just cut it out, weld a new piece, and or put some fiberglass. So there it is, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna continue with this and I'm gonna start primering it. I'm gonna be applying some epoxy primer first because it's bare metal. Then I'll be applying the high build primer. Here we go. Everything is ready. Everything is covered. I'm gonna start by applying the epoxy primer on all the bare metal, and I'm gonna continue to this side also. I already applied it to this side, but I'm gonna just do everything at once again and then apply the 2K primer. So we're ready. Let's just go ahead and apply it. All right, 2 coats of the epoxy primer has been applied, waiting 15 minutes in between each coat. Now what I'm gonna do, I need to wait an hour before I can apply the high build primer. So let's just wait an hour. But first, let's see who the winner of this canvas is, or this banner is. So let's just go to the computer and pick the winner. Good luck to everybody that participated. You had to have left a comment on the video that I mentioned, and also you need to be a subscriber. So let's just go to the computer real quick. Let's see who won. All right, guys, here we go. this is a video that you needed to leave a comment as to where you were. I have a bunch of comments right there. So all I need to do is get the URL address right there. Go to the random comment picker. Place address right there. I'm gonna filter the duplicate. If you gave 2 comments with the same thing, I'm gonna just use one, right? So that's basically it, guys. Let's just go for it, and let's see who the winner is. Let's see. $137 right there, unique comments. So let's see who the winner is, guys. Good luck to everybody. There's more giveaways coming soon, so let's just get to it. There it is. The winner is Paint by DLS from Donna, Texas. Wow. Novice painter. There you go. From Donna, Texas, guys. He is the winner right there. Again, thank you very much for participating. And also, there's going to be more giveaways. So let's just continue with the video. I really appreciate it. And finish it up. And there it is, guys. There's the winner. Congratulations to the winner of that banner. So just hit me up and I'll get it to you. So there it is, guys. Let's continue with this 63. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start applying the primer. It's been about an hour, so I'm gonna start applying about 2 to 3, more than likely it's gonna be 3 coats of primer. So let's just get to it. The primer I am using is right there. So let's go. And that is how you do that, guys. After 3 coats, full wet coats of high build primer, there it is. Now I'm gonna just let it set for about maybe 3 or 4 days, and we can start blocking everything so that we can paint the body already. We are getting close. We are getting really close to painting the body. The next video, it's gonna be about the blocking, how I'm gonna do it, how I'm gonna get these lines nice and straight, nice and crisp. So stay tuned for that, guys. But this is it for this video. Again, thank you for subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, guys. It's free. It'll help me out. Also, hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And Like always, guys, share the video, tell your friends about my channel. Let's try to reach that 200,000 subscriber mark. I know we can do it. So let's go. All right, thank you very much, guys. This will be it for this video. Like always, stay safe, have a great weekend, and God bless.